from 1 to 20. Yay! One sun shining bright, two birds take flight. Three flowers bloom so tall, 4 cars go vroom down the hall. 1, 2, 3, 4, count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8 isn't counting great. 9 and 10, let's shout hooray! We can count all day. 5 stars in the sky, 6 ducks swimming by, 7 toys on the floor, 8 doors open more, 9 balloons in a line, 10 fingers all mine. Great job, friends! That was 1 to 10. Let's keep going. Here we go again. Yay! 11 stars that shine, or 12 grapes on the vine. 13 bees that buzz, 14 hugs just because. Count with me. Numbers make us happy. 11, 12, 13, 14, hooray! 15's come and shout, yay! 15 bubbles fly, 16 clouds in the sky. Head, jump, high. 17 little feet, dang, yay! Count again. 19, 20, say it, friends. Numbers make us dance and play every single day. Yay! We did it, friends. 1 to 20. Counting with dignity, Sharon, is always fun. See you next time. Keep smiling and counting every day. Bye-bye. Create a complete nursery medley titled Let's Count from 1 to 20 for Dignity, Sharon. And counting every day. Bye-bye. Create a complete nursery leveling bundle. Let's count from 1 to 20 for Dignity, Sharon. Let's sing, dance, and count together. From 1 to 20. Yay! Hi, friends, keep your line. Sharon, Sharon, sing your line. Sharon, sing your line. Counting with dignity, Sharon. See you next time. Bye-bye.